Hey YouTube, welcome back to the shop. Today, quick little job changing the brake pads on one of these Chinese Tao ATVs. Pretty straightforward. This is the little ATV I'm referring to. Got two 10mm bolts, 5mm Allen wrench, and then the pads will come off. There's the old ones. Maybe we got our money's worth out of those. There's the new replacement, 16 bucks on Amazon. They just slide onto that pin right there. There it is. New pads are in. If you own one of these Chinese ATVs, do yourself a favor. Buy yourself a bottle of that and put it on every single bolt on this machine as soon as you get it. 90% of the problems I've ran into this machine were fasteners that rattled themselves loose all over the place. There we have it, all bolted back up. Loctite on these bolts, Loctite on that pin. It's not going anywhere. Quick 10-minute job, anybody could do it. Get out in the garage and get something done.